Nice one. Hey everybody, it's Dr. Warren here at Kalkstein Chiropractic with Natalie here. Natalie's awesome. She's my yoga teacher. Do you remember Natalie from the yoga video? Yoga and chiropractic? It's like a great smoothie combination.
Yes, it was a good video. I was just starting my training then. Now I'm done my training.
Now she's training people that are coming on.
Mm-hmm.
Whoa. So
I'm in yoga training, but work training too.
Oh, yes. Work training, yeah. Yoga training done. She's going to be a certified teacher. Yoga with Nat. I've termed that. I don't think she's going to run with that.
I like that name.
Yoga with Nat. We'll be doing videos with Yoga with Nat on YouTube. You can, if you're looking for yoga videos, there it is. Okay, we can't do a long video.
That's okay.
So do you still have pain in this area?
Not nearly as much.
But Dr. Dalton said, hey, I want to stay on top of this. Okay,
Yeah.
another little pointer. Adjustment one and done is not setting it back into place. You can still kind of feel that end feel here underneath my finger. You feel it's a little bit still tight, tender.
Yeah.
You feel it here, the same area. Not as bad, right? So still a little bit of facilitation over these segments.
Yeah.
I actually get, yoga's great activity, but the downward dog can sometimes put a lot of pressure on that segment.
Yeah,
Okay?
definitely.
Turn your head to your right. So you're going to make sure that you really do load your lower traps when you go into that position going forward today. Okay, reach across, hold on to my back. Okay, reach far for me. I'm going to expose that rib fixation, not rib out. Right here, you're going to breathe for me. And relax, easy. Nice and smooth.
Nice.
Good. I'm just going to check it from this angle now, okay?
Okay.
Deep breath in, easy exhale. Just a little pressure here, okay? Let that fall, you'll feel a nice easy adjustment. Nice and easy. Okay. So, stay tuned for yoga with Nat.